Hello friend, for today's video, join me as we draw a ladybug. First, let's draw the shape of Ladybug's body. Next, its head. Then its eyes. Its antenna. Let's draw its elytra. Next, its spots on the elytra. Want to play a game? Count the spots on a ladybug. Let's add its 6 legs. And now, let's add color to this ladybug together. Let's add black color to its head. To its antenna, as well as on its spots. A red color to its elytra. Ladybugs are like living polka dots, wearing the most stylish red and black outfits. With delicate wings and tiny legs, they're the dainty dancers of the insect world, twirling through the air and bringing smiles to anyone lucky enough to spot them. Ladybugs go through a fascinating life cycle, starting as tiny eggs and transforming into larvae before becoming the spotted beauties we know. It's like having front row seats to a magical insect transformation. We are almost finished. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.